How to fix this account might include the sensitive contents on your Twitter, now known as X application. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are getting the code this account might include sensitive content on any post, here is what you should do. First and foremost, head over to any of your preferred browser. The option of sensitive contents is not available on your application. So head over to the browser, search for x.com and log in with your credentials. Then after, tap on your profile, go to settings and tap on privacy and security. Once you tap on privacy, head over to content you see. Now you will see the option display media that may contain sensitive contents. Make sure the box is ticked. Once that is done, if you head over to the application, you won't see the issue of this account might include sensitive contents. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.